Everybody, this is the St. Thomas Episcopal Church in New York City, in Manhattan. We just come back from the errand in Stanway Street, and we are at this church now. Yay! This is the St. Thomas Episcopal Church. Here's another one right here. I don't know if we won't be able to go. We're not going to this church today. Right here. Alright. I don't know what chime is this. I think it's Saint Michael or Winchester, or I don't know what chime it is. Truck. My phone's about to die. Let me get my charger. I got 20. Let me get my charger. A minute for the third quarter. Manhattan, are you excited? Yay! Alright, we're gonna go to everybody else. What do you think about this place of this church? I like it. Okay. What do you think, Zeke? I like it. Yakety, Dino, Malik, Zadie, and Zeke, and all of your characters. Boxy. I just print a new all of the ostrich because I think I left that car or at home. I just printed. So yeah, are you excited for this church? Yeah. Big Apple and Wanda, you think you like it? Yeah. Alright guys, let's wait for a few minutes. All the ushers, you're gonna come with me, okay? What do you think? I like it. I'm hugging. Yeah, just because there's not enough space. What do you think, dog puppet? I like it. Let me wear it for you. Yes, alright. I think I like this place. Alright. Good shark puppet. Orange, what do you think? New York City Big Apple. Yep. I agree. New York is a popular city. And what do you think, Bluey? Yeah. Shark puppet. Cool. Alright, and last but not least, Carmen, what do you think? I like it. Okay. Alright. Hold on, let me get the other one more plush. Hold on. Get sub. I like it. Oh, sorry. Alright guys. Alright guys, getting ready for the bell. Yeah, I can't wait. I hear another church right here. Alright, it's almost 1. Alright, 1 p.m. That'll be it. It looks nice. Yep. Alright, let's go. lot of New York City taxis right here. I want to use this for a backup. Alright, just try to not Sorry. Alright, it's almost 1:15. I don't know if 1:15 is gonna sound, but we'll see. Oh, sorry. Let me get the phone and the clock out. Sorry. Alright, it's 1:14. Oh. Alright, that's it. It's like being bam. Phone, no talking. Sorry, let me get the phone and the clock out. Sorry, it's 1:14.